What a monster.
The net, what are you doing?
He is super big and strong.
Damn. Here, come bring me the net, because I'm going to have to net him. He's very big.
Here you go.
Come on, baby.
He's like, nope, not today.
Oh my God. Oh my God, he's big.
It's not even on.
Damn.
It's not on. This is super big!
This is a big
Giant.
carp.
This is a big giant carp.
This is huge, guys.
Oh my God, he's 30.6 pounds.
He is 30.6 pounds. So after you pull off the net, I gotta figure out how much the net weighs. So he's around 29 pounds. That's it. Got the hook out. This is this little bitty setup. Harry got him. Look at this guy. 30-pound carp, guys. 30 pounds. I gotta weigh the net and see how much the net weighs, but he's close to 29 pounds, guys. This guy is a tank. Check him out.
Type him on the fish tank.
Woo! No, he can't go on the fish tank. He's too big.
Tip to the nose to there. He is 36 inches, 36 and a half. Guys, what a monster. Off of my Whisker Seeker rod. Yes, sir.
28.35.
There we go, guys. 28.35. But I was figuring it was around 28 pounds. She a fatty, bro.
Still alive, bro. Still moving.
You saw that? She's still wiggling.